All right, so it's Cinco de Mayo today, May 5th, and 2026, and we're gonna check out the downtown spot here in New Brunswick because there's a Mexican restaurant there, and I have a feeling it might be pretty busy right now, so this might be the spot for today. There's some other Mexican restaurants in the area that get very busy today. They have the parties for Cinco de Mayo. So let's just see. Yeah, so there's many people here, as you can see, walking towards the Fat Cactus. That is the restaurant. I'm just guessing, because it's Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo, however it is pronounced. I've always said Cinco de Mayo. We have the Harvest Moon we just passed. That's a microbrewery. So I hear something going on. They do have the street closed up here. I don't know. That's for construction though. Okay, so we do have a party up here. Okay, so we do have copyright music. Of course, I have to talk over all of it. Or else we have to put music on it, one or the other when it comes down to it. I do hear some Spanish, yeah, some Mexican music, it sounds like it. So yeah, very cool, very cool. So this is where the party at. This is where the party at. Up here, New Brunswick, street fair, street party. Yeah, that's why there's not a lot of people walking around the other areas today. Not as many as normal. So yeah, this is where the party's at. So let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. This is where the party at the street fair. Okay, so I will be talking over the music because we have copyright music going on. So let's see what's going on here. Let's go, let's go. Awesome, street fair. All right, so this is New Brunswick, New Jersey. I'm gonna take a picture with my phone. I did a picture with my phone. All right, so I have to speak over the music like I said. All right, let's see what's going on here. We're not gonna go inside over there, but as you see, there's a lot going on here. A lot of people, and the weather's amazing. Great vibe here today. Awesome, awesome weather, so no complaints today. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody. All right, good times, good times. Everybody's having a good old time today. All right, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. This is where the party at. Oh yeah, Fat Cactus, there it is. So yeah, this is the Cinco de Mayo party right here. This is awesome, New Brunswick, right in the street, super cool, nice. Probably costs a little cash to get in there, I'm not sure. You need a wristband and all that kind of stuff, so this might get covered over with music so everyone knows because there's copyright music going on. So I have to be careful with all of that, you know what I'm saying? I got the copyright stuff going on. So yeah. All right, all right. New Brunswick. Everyone's here.
A la cuenta de tres vamos a hacer una bulla para la raza mexicana. 1, 2 y 3, la bulla. Sabemos que están pasando un chingo de cosas, pero los mexicanos seguimos de pie. Así que una vez más, el grito mexicano, 1, 2 y 3. Para que sepan, una canción más y luego viene.
All right, yeah, here we go, here we go. Yeah, this is where the party at, right here. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go. Here's where the party at.
Ya está cerrada con 3 candados.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Eso, salud, salud, salud.
Y remachada la puerta negra.
Yeah, this is where the action at. New Brunswick, New Jersey today. There's a lot of people here. This place is jumping. This is George Street, the downtown area, and they really know how to party here. I'm telling you. You gotta love it in New Brunswick. The weather is amazing. It's such a great day, and we're having a good time here, no doubt. And they're really some good dancers over there. Some good dancers. People are dancing, having a good time. And you have there's a Mexican holiday. If you don't know what Cinco de Mayo is, Cinco de Mayo, Cinco de Mayo. That's how I say it, Cinco de Mayo, Cinco de Mayo. And yeah, I have to talk because we got some music going on, and that's how it is on social media. You know what I mean? But yeah, I used to. My bad. I used to DJ these songs when I DJ'd. I DJ a little bit now. Like I keep up on it, but I'm not really DJing like I used to DJ back in the day. But let's see what's going on. This is the Fat Cactus over here, and this place is always jumping, but right now today it's really jumping. So there's a lot going on here. This is New Brunswick, New Jersey. New Brunswick is super cool. There might be some people here from other parts of New Jersey too. I would think so. I don't know if we can walk in there or not. But yeah, it's really wild here today. I don't think we can really walk in there though, right now. You actually have the camera and everything, so probably not a good idea. But as you can see, it's really, really wild here today. There's a lot going on. It's super awesome. So, wow, awesome. Good times. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. A lot of good times. It was a mix of people here today. A good mix. Yeah, good times. A little puppy. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, they got the doors wide open here on the Fat Cactus Mexican Cantina. So yeah, it's really, really cool. A lot of fun. And you got Rutgers, New Jersey right here too. So there's a mix of Rutgers students here hanging out, having a good time. You know, it's not just people from the town and outside of the town or whatever. So there really is so much stuff going on today. It's an awesome day today, awesome. So yeah, let's go. Yeah.